Hello everyone, I am going to create this thing in Revit from Railing family. In this video, I will show you how you can do this. All the families that I am using in this video, you can download from BIM objects I have linked down below. This is a normal railing. To create such thing, first let me explain you how railing works. This is a railing family. If I go here, we have different types like this, like this, like this. All of these are system families and made from only one type. I can make this look like this and look like this. If I go to setting, if I go to baluster, you can see this is the glazing panel. If I change this to like something this and make this 0, so it will be on the ground, and this top offset, let me make it keep it same, and I will just change this to like assume 500. See, this is here. Now, what if I have here the families that I need, like trees? I can replace this with a tree or a bench, anything. So you just have to think what can be placed, where it can be placed, how it can be used. And you can justify this from the beginning, from the end, and move it and change its location. You can, this is the segment. Like if you are making a turn, there is going to be a segment. Segment, I can explain you like this. If I create similar, this I had make a line. This had two segment, one, two. This starting and end point. What if I create like this same line in the same parallel line? Now it has this extra segment here. One, two, three. So wherever the segment placed, there is going to be thing like this. What should be placed here? That is, you can change from here. The pattern should break at segment. If I place it to never, see, it will not break at the segments. So for this thing, this should be placed at never. So we don't have to when we do something, so the pattern don't break and mixing of families will not happen. So now you got to know how actually the railing works. I have downloaded all the families that are required for this project here. You can get a preview. This is a curved stone, this is a floor, this is generic families that I am going to use. For the profiles, I'm going to show you how to make this. And these are just the generic families you can download from anywhere. And as I said, you can download from BIM objects also. I have downloaded from same location. So this is a profile. If I show you, go into railing structure. If I insert any structure, this is going to use a profile. Profile. So if I make like break, apply, see, it is going to place a profile here. So this can be used to create your road base. Assume, imagine this. This is your actual road. And if I insert one, and this is going to be your pedestrian walk, I'm going to give offset of 100. See, it is shifted here. I can give height offset like minus 300. 100 minus 300 like this. So just imagine how it will work, how it is going to make such things. I'll cancel it. So this thing use this profile, and this thing use family, baluster family, and this thing rail top uses, if I go to this type, also uses profiles. So two things I need. One, the profile. Second, the families. And the families that I can place in baluster families. So I can use in this project and make this type of family. You can go to new family, and here you can make profile for, you can make generic profile, or you can make million rail. Profile will work everywhere. It's just the category you are using. I'm using for railing, so I used rail profile. I open that and make this. I gave it parameter so I can change in project only. I will load this into project. Now this is loaded in project, and this is my floor profile. This is 600 by 6000 by 300, and this also I'm going to load into project. Now I have two families. So if I go to setting, the preview is on, and profile I can place as a railing structure. I will make this floor and just apply. You can see this is my center of railing, and a road is created. Apply, apply. I'm going to show you the preview first, so you will have a better idea what is going on here. So now I'm going to place the curbstones on each side of this. So this is the center. This is 6000. I mistyped the family name. So from here to here will be 3000. Here to here will be 3000. So I'm going to insert new type railing, and here I will choose this. So now I know the exact name what it is, and the thickness is 150, and from the center is 75. So the offset should be 3075 from the center. Apply. You can see it came here. No, now I'm going to give the height. So the height should be, my reference plane for height was here, displaced like here. So I will move this from here to like 100. So it is like this. Now I'm going to duplicate this and just give minus here. Apply. Now it has two curbstone on each side. I will give this material, place this and this. Now I want some other things on each side, here and here, like grass. So I have done this. I will just give the profile first, like same floor. I will apply this, and I will give the offset minus 3150. It is calculating from the center reference. The center reference is moved from here to here. So I actually have to give the overall thickness 6000, and I will give minus. This is left, okay, no problem. So now it is here. If I want to give some extra like 1, or else I can just give this road a minus 50. Now this will look like a natural way things are placed. Now I will duplicate this and give it right. Same thing, I will just give minus here, apply, and okay, and apply, and okay. Now you can see this thing is created. Still, I have this balusters here. I haven't touched this. Now I will move on to the balusters. How you can place families here. So as you've seen this, like if I go to baluster settings, this is a baluster family. So I have to create baluster family to put in here. So let's create that. If I go to new family, metric baluster family. Now if I go to reference plane here, if I go here, I have this family. I will upgrade that and load into my family one, into my family, and I will load into, will give some artificial look. I'm going to place it here and just DM it. Now if I go to 3D, this is how it is going to look. This is how it is going to look. One set of, this is one set of baluster, only one set. Now I will save this. I will save as family. What was my folder? Ultimate railing. Here I will save it and I will get this in my project. Now I want to like add some marking in the middle of road. So for that, I need to change this baluster railing handrail to marking like a floor. For that, I need a floor. And I have a profile which is parametric. So I will go to this families and here I can go to profile. Here I have this floor and it has only one type. I can go create a new type, give it a name, marking. And if I go to this edit type property and I can give the thickness is like 2 mm and the width should be like 25. I go here, edit type. This is our top rail. I can go and duplicate this to marking and I can change the profile to marking and give 0 hand clearance so it will be in the middle. You can give it that anything you want. I have given this thing is here and my marking is above here. So I will make this move up. I will make it 0. This is here and marking is with that. Hmm, okay, that's okay. No problem. No problem. I will fix that. Warning, no worry. Because the baluster is deleted. Because it doesn't have the top railing. So now I have the marking here. You're seeing how it is working. You can modify as per your requirements. So now if I go to edit and change this baluster to my ultimate railing. Now the host, the top host should be the bottom and I will make 100. So doing this will get rid of your warnings. Now I will make, I don't want anything in start, anything in center, and anything in corner and end post. If I apply, and I don't want to use this also. I just want my baluster placed where it will be go. So this is done. Now I will give the offset of, so here is your center and here is 3000. This is 150 and I want after that till here. So 3150, I will give it offset of 4000. 4000 and apply. Base offset I will give 1000. Something like this. And apply. Now it is created. The one thing you can say it is like this. Mistake I have done here in the family. I've make this like this. I want I have to make it like this. So I will select this, set this from the center here to here. Now it is like this. And consider like this is the center and there is some distance that it has till here, like 2500. If you don't want these things to happen, you can just move this from here to the reference plane. Remove this thing in the middle of this. Now if I reload that, see, it is created here. So the offset is not enough. Offset should be 6000. Okay, it is working. But see, here it is only one side. If I want this on the other side, it will not mirror itself. Make it mirror family. So now I will save as family. Right. Move DM this from here to here. And load into project. But go and edit. If I edited it here, I will just doubly catch. Is the learning curve that you are getting here, not the perfect thing, but you will learn from the mistakes that I'm doing. I will change this to right one. See, if I have done that, it will be in the same direction, but I want this in front and this in back. So I make like this. Now it is like that. Okay, apply. Okay. Now you know how you can use this to create your own road element with railing. Anything you can create, not just road. Any family that you're struggling to do as a floor, as like just for representation. The drawback of this is you don't have any information about the families that you're using here. This is not a BIM element. This is just a Revit family thing. If you want to learn more about this thing or any family creation, you can comment down below. I will try to make that in next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye.